Hey guys, so today's tech tip is about creating GIFs to aid in instruction. This is actually going to be broken down into two videos. One is going to show how to install the extension that you need, and then the other one is going to be actually using that extension. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google and we are going to search for Capture to a GIF extension. Should be the very first one that pops up. Go ahead and click it. And we are going to add this to Chrome. Add extension. And we're going to wait for it to work. And here it is right up here. Now, to be able to see this all the time, you're going to click on this little puzzle piece. It'll bring up all the extensions that you've ever added to your computer. And this pin right here, if it's gray, that means that you're not going to see it up here. And once you click it blue, you'll see it up here. And it will be here all the time until you turn it back off again. Okay, if you ever want to remove the extension from your browser, you'll come up here and you'll go to Manage Extensions. And then you'll see all of the extensions you've ever installed, and you can remove it right here. And this little toggle right here is to turn it off and on. That is it for actually installing the extension. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this video, and I will do another video on how to use the extension.